off on my way to work. Well, good morning. We got 4 inches of snow last night. I'm off on my way to work. This is going to be part 2 of how do we make money. We'll see you there. Fueled up, ready to hit the road.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going
Our plan of attack today is to get these boards. I got them the other day here. Get these boards all cut to the right length for this ceiling. We're going to get them all cut to the right length, and then we're going to whitewash them on a sawhorse down here, urethane them, and finish them down here, so then we can nail them up on the ceiling and do the final coat up there. It's just a whole lot easier than trying to work overhead. So that's the plan of attack. I'm going to start measuring them out and getting them cut here. Now I'm just going to repeat the process for the whole entire stack until it's done, and we'll start whitewashing as soon as Cappy gets here. Got some Canadian geese out here today, just chilling out. 1, 2, 3. So I have to prep the framing for the ceiling here, and I do that by just pulling the old nails out, getting them so that the framing is completely flush and the new boards can go right up against it. So that's what I'm going to do now with the whole entire thing. It's a lot of nails. I was pulling nails here, and it's kind of cool what you find doing demo. It says 1999, CL and TH built this for select ceiling, none better. Seal Harbor. So 27 years ago they built this, and right there it says Chris 1999. If you're on here, you've seen this or will see this, give me a shout out. That's kind of funny. Well, I got all the boards cut. They are cut to the right length and ready for whitewash. Do a little bit of prep work and get those babies whitewashed, and we'll be in business. I hear somebody. He's here. He's here. He got his beauty rest. Where are you, Cappy? There you are. Okay, so we have the whole whitewash on, and we are gonna.
We're hoping to get.
Yeah.
I mean, something like that. Obviously, it's not going to look the same because that wood has been there since 1999. This is just got here, so.
We can match it though. I have faith in us.
I don't know.
No, That looks like it. You can see the... So we just wipe it off. Once we've brushed a board, we just wipe it off.
Yeah.
The next step is going to be urethane after this.
Let's get it straight. Cat wipes it off. Read this video.
Nothing wrong with
My
that.
life. I have to work. He doesn't.
Yeah.
I don't do what he says.
Yeah. So we have all the boards whitewashed. All whitewashed and drying. Leaned up against the walls here. Putting the last board right now.
No, you have one more out there.
Or one more. But I gotta show you guys this. This guy mixed it all earlier today, and believe it or not, that is what we have for product left after all of those boards, and we finished it. That was pretty good, Cappy.
No.
That's gonna do it for today's video, you guys. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.